A Bigstone Cree Nation woman is calling out Edmonton's Misericordia Hospital after she gave birth without medical assistance. Her daughter died. Pro Gambler spoke at a press conference with the support of Treaty 8 Grand Chief Arthur Noski and her lawyer, Sheila McGregor. Gambler filed a lawsuit against an unnamed physician, the hospital, and Covenant Health, which owns and operates the hospital, on October 12, 2022. According to the $1.3 million statement of claim, her trouble began on June 11, 2020. Ms. Gambler attended the obstetrical department of the hospital, as advised by redacted name. Ms. Gambler was told by hospital staff that there is nothing here for you, and sent her to the emergency department. She then went for a vaginal exam, which the documents say caused her, quote, an immense amount of pain, unquote. She experienced the onset of, quote, intense contractions, unquote. Finally, on June 12th, Ms. Gambler suffered a spontaneous rupture of membranes and delivered her 19-week-old fetus in the surgical room with 3 other patients, without hands-on nursing care and without a physician having been called. Her lawyer, Sheila McGregor, said they sued to hold the hospital accountable.
These events have been incredibly traumatic for Ms. Gambler, and she spent a lot of time working to get to the place where she can sit here in front of everybody and tell her story.
Chief Noski called on Alberta's Premier Danielle Smith to implement Indigenous cultural training.
We, as First Nations people, go to these treatment centers in confidence that our treaty card is going to provide, the cost for what's needed for our treatment. And both levels of government today has basically, decimated the integrity of that treaty card.
Covenant Health sent this statement. Covenant Health takes any and all complaints and concerns seriously, including allegations of racism and discrimination. Racism and discrimination in all forms have no place within Covenant Health. McGregor had this message.
We want this to never happen again, and that is one.
Chris Stewart, APTN National News, Edmonton.